What's up, YouTube? Hey, before I even get started, I just got one question for y'all, man. Just one question.
Did you move his man?
Yeah, man. Hey, y'all seen my little blue joint, right? It's saying this is nothing major. Just showing y'all what can be accomplished if you put the work in. And I know I've been missing for a minute, but let me switch hands. I'm actually holding the camera, y'all, so y'all gotta forgive me. I ain't gonna be looking directly in the camera. I know it's been about almost a month since I uploaded a video, but the reason being is because I like to upload videos and let them breathe for a bit. I know that that's not gonna get me in y'all suggested boxes, but I don't want to flood y'all with too much material and you get tired of a nigga. So that's what I'm not gonna do. I know that's gonna bring my monetization on my videos a lot slower. I'm like 24,000. I'm sorry, not 24,000, 2,400 hours away of view time before I can even be monetized. So I'll eventually hit that. But yeah, I just want to show y'all my little pickup, man. Little Hemi joint. Just picked this up on Valentine's Day. I had to get Impala some rest. I'm gonna leave that to my son. Always leave your kids with something that's gonna be of value to them, an asset. I know I got a lot of kids watching this and y'all probably don't know what I mean, but as you get older, you will understand what I'm talking about. The reason you could, and then to my older folks, you probably like, a car ain't an asset. Oh, it is an asset if that bad boy paid off and you're using it to make money. So, which is the case with the Impala. Right now, I'm headed to one of my jobs, right? I got multiple streams of income. I'm not dependent on just my main job to get me money. So, as most of you all know who rock with me know that I personal train and I own a meal prep company. And right now, today is Sunday. I cook on the weekend, so I'm about to get my meal prep job going right now. Oh, cop over here. He over here sneaky. I'm glad I wasn't punching it down this road, boy. He over here sneaky. He almost caught me. Yeah. I'm doing about 50. I'm doing the speed limit. He can't touch me. But damn, that's lucky, boy. Cause I usually be hitting it down this highway. Woo. All right. Anyway, like I said, I own a meal prep company. I cook on Sundays, and I got orders to fill today. So this is one of my streams of income, and that's another reason why I haven't been able to upload on a regular, because YouTube is not my job as of yet. Because like I said, I'm not being monetized for it. So I just do this on the side. Hopefully, I will get there to be monetized. Hey, if you rock with me, watch my videos all the way through, bro. They don't be that long. They only be about 7-8 minutes at the most for most of my videos. So watch my videos all the way through, bro. Man, give me them hours, man. Just watch the videos all the way through. Stop skipping through them. So I'm headed to the store right now. I'm about to go shopping for this food, and I decided to take y'all with me. And you already know I'm not gonna leave y'all without a legendary brush session, man. I still been getting my brush sessions in, and that's not gonna stop. So I will be bringing y'all a brush session later on tonight. I got a basketball game too. I'm in the men's league on Sunday, so I got a lot going on. But I'll show y'all the inside of my car later. But as of right now, I gotta get in here and get this food, man. So I'm gonna take y'all with me, all right?
60 Plug.
All right, just like that, we out this bad boy. Hey, I forgot to tell y'all, his name is Blue. That's my boy Blue. Ah, look at him. He hard. The sound ain't quite right yet, but I'll be working on that in a minute. All right, forgive me for the sound. I apologize for the sound on the way to the car. It's like super windy out here. What is it? What's the weather? It's 34 degrees right now and stupid windy outside. Let me concentrate on the road because I gotta get to these stores and get back, get to cooking, and get ready for my basketball game. I'll try to get some clips of that if my kids go. If not, I'll just tell y'all the outcome of what happened, man. And y'all just stay tuned, yo. Hey, man, I didn't end up going to my game, so this is like 2 days after. Today is Tuesday, and I just want to show y'all the inside of the ride. I got the blue inserts to match the color of the car. Excuse the noise. Y'all see I'm getting them cleaned up, man. It's sunny outside, so I can't be riding dirty. Got the big face screen. I think that's about 8.5 inches or something like that. I haven't done anything as far as like putting anything up here yet. That's what I plan on doing. Y'all see that color phone? Got to treat them right, man. Got my other inserts back here. Other inserts back there. As y'all can see, leather seats, baby. Leather seats. Heated rear seats. Heated and cooled front seats. And yeah, that's about it, man. So stay tuned for the brush session tonight. It's gonna be epic. And when I brush, I hope y'all got y'all brush in hand too. All right, clean it on up, baby. Clean it on up.